In this exercise, which is called multiply lines, I'm asked to graph and multiply these two lines. So I'm going to make an XY table for each one of them. And I'm going to call this first line f of x. And I'm going to call this second line g of x. There are two functions. So over here we're going to have f of x. Sometimes we call it y for graphing purposes. I'm going to use these values here: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to substitute these values in the expression. -3 plus 2, -2 plus 2, -1 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and 3 plus 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. -2 plus 2 is 0. -1 plus 2 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this expression. We have the values of x. We have the value of -x. And we have here, we're going to call it g of x. So we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is negative, -3, negative, -2, negative, -1. This is -0, -1, -2, -3. So -3 is 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. Notice that this negative sign has the effect of only changing the sign of x. And we remember that this is y. So now I'm ready to the two lines. Let's do this one first. -3, -1, -2, 0, -1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. This is the graph of the first line, and I called it f of x. Second line, -3, -2, 2, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. this is the graph of the second line, which we called g of x. Now I'm going to multiply these two lines. The value of f of x is -1. The value of g of x is 3. When x is -3, 3 times -1, -3. That would be this point right here. 2 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 0, 0. 3 times -1, -3. 4 times -2, that would be -8. Right here. So the products of those pairs of points are this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Now I connect those points with a curve. And this special curve that I got from multiplying the two lines, I'm going to call it h of x, and it comes from multiplying f of x times g of x, or in other words, from multiplying x plus 2 times -x. The name of this special curve is parabola.